They see blood, sweat, and tears it took to live their dreams, and everything's on the line. Ain't just another field, just another farm. No, it's the ground we grew up on. They think it's a middle of nowhere place where we take it slow. Oh, but they don't know.
Hey guys, Hilltop Dipper back again with another video. Today, it's just gonna be a little vlog thing. What I'm doing today. What I'm doing is working on this lawnmower here. May have seen in the off-roading video that took this off-roading. I don't remember exactly at the time, but the dash here was still in correct piece, in one piece at least, and it kinda isn't. This was supposed to go, well, you get the gist. This piece was supposed to go on the end of the bigger piece, and stupid thing is, this steering shaft, the guide is basically that. There's no support down in here with this metal plate. It's just free floating, and you see it has plenty of play from over the years. But that's where this is coming into play today. There's some old sheet metal off of corn, I believe it was a corn picker. A galvanized steel, the way it looks. And I'm going to use this to create my new dash. Before I forget, I just wanted to kind of show you what I actually had to do to get this dash off. Obviously, disconnect all the cables. This is the throttle cable. Here's the choke cable, and that runs underneath to this. You can't see it, but it runs up to this little spring-loaded thing. I forget the exact name, but I had to take the intake part, this intake box, all the way, and this nut, and there's a nut on the back side of here too. Take that all off, just to get to that. And obviously remove the steering wheel. It was, where's the nut? I believe it was a 5/8 nut. Had to disconnect some things, like here's the throttle handle, that just unscrews here. I probably put the screws back in it. I'm sorry, it's not a nut, it's actually this bolt here. Guess it was just laying right here. But I should put all these parts where they should go. This was for the dash. I'm going to reuse these. There's a nut for them. Lock wash, the other one's down in here. Let me grab it. This was, oh, I forget what this was for. Oh, this is for the throttle handle. This little guy right here. The other half was broken and cracked. All that does is just secure it down to the rest of the dash. But it's pretty basic. I had to take this nut off to get the starter solenoid key. Not the starter solenoid. I guess it would be the solenoid. I had to take that. So here's the key right here. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all I had to do, and it's just a matter of reshaping this piece of tin to fit. Alright, so this is what I've got done so far. Right now I got the hole drilled for the steering shaft to go up. So I'll bent the curve so it fits in snugly. And I got mounting bolts, one on each side. See the other one. All put in. And I had to stop because my battery died. My memory was full, so that's it so far. Here's progress now. Dash is about ready to get put back in. Clean the carburetor completely off and ready to put it back on. Here's the dash. Just spray painted it black. I'm gonna put it in. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Well, it's in. It's all hooked up. Key there, everything. Throttle, choke, bolted down, everything's hooked up. Very happy with it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more random shit like this from me, please subscribe to my channel, The Hilltop Dipper. I'll see you next time.